I'm Cameron Lawn, the General Manager here at GCI Group on the Gold Coast. We're a metal fabrication business servicing many industries, oil and gas, mining, transportation to name a few. What makes us unique here at GCI Group is our quality service. We invest in the latest technology and machinery to make sure that we can maintain the best standards of product for our customers. Here at GCI Group, we supply an end-to-end solution for our customers for their metal fabricated parts. In that, it enables us to employ different types of technology and where we can fit in more automation. That's something that we're always looking for, take away the manual labour part of it and upskill our staff to operate those more automated technical machines. A long time ago we made the decision to go with TRUMPF for our machinery purposes. What that's allowed these days with the technology that's about is to have the interconnectivity between the machines so that everything's talking to each other and it's reduced bottlenecks throughout the factory. The vision for our business is to continue to work with Headland and TRUMPF on developing faster ways of processing the materials, more automation, more connectivity between machines, utilising the latest technology to get those benefits.